In this video, we're going to work out the perimeter of shapes where some of the side lengths are missing. So to work out the perimeter of a shape, you need to add up all the sides. So we need to work out some of the missing sides. So we've got a missing side here, and we've got a missing side here. Well, what do we know? Well, we know that the shape, this sort of T shape, is 11 meters along at the top. So if I add up the 5 and the 2 and the red missing side, that should also equal 11. Well, 5 plus 2 is 7, so I need to add on 4 meters to get to 11. Now, this blue side here is the same length as this side here, so this is going to be 5 meters. Now, let's work out the perimeter of this shape. So P is equal to, now I need to add up all the sides. So I've got 11, that's the top, plus 5, plus 5, plus 6, plus 2, plus 6, plus 4, plus 5. That means the perimeter is 44 meters. Now let's work out the perimeter of this shape. So we've got two missing sides, this one and this one here. Now if we go across first, 10 meters along the top, so 6 plus this missing side must equal 10, so that's going to be 4 meters. And if we go down, we've got 12 along here, so 5 plus our missing side must equal 12, so this must mean that the missing side is 7. So working out our perimeter here, we've got 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 12, and if we work out what that is, we get 44